How to make old-fashioned. An old-fashioned is a classic whiskey cocktail with bitters, simple syrup, and fruit. Experts believe the drink is called the old-fashioned because it's one of the first widely known cocktails ever. The name comes from people ordering the drink the old-fashioned way. Ingredients: A. 1 sugar cube. B. 1 teaspoon water. C. 1 dash bitters. D. 2 fluid ounces whiskey, rye or bourbon. E. 1 lemon twist. F. Half a cup ice cubes or as needed. G. 1 orange slice for garnish. H. 1 maraschino cherry for garnish. Directions: 1. Gather all ingredients. 2. Muddle sugar cube, water, and bitters in an old-fashioned glass for 1 minute. Pour in whiskey. Stir for 1 minute. 3. Squeeze lemon twist over the glass and drop it in. Add ice cubes. Garnish with orange slice and maraschino cherry. Serve with a swizzle stick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.